Hey there lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing well. In today's video I'm going to share with you my cozy Sunday cleaning routine. As you can see, it's absolutely pouring outside, which is secretly my favourite kind of weather. It makes me feel so cozy and safe at home, and we are having a very lazy Sunday today. Everyone is in the house and I'm going to get my chores, housework and cleaning done. So I'm starting upstairs in the bedrooms. I'm just going to have a general little tidy up in the boys' rooms, and I'm going to make their beds. And into our bedroom, I'm going to tackle Clint's wardrobe. Does anyone else have to deal with this? About once a week, I come down the side of his bed, if I'm brave enough, and I empty everything I can find on the wardrobe. I bundle it all up, and I take it down to be washed. I don't know, men, well, you'll never understand it, but there you go. Before I put on a new wash for today, I actually need to put away the clean washing from yesterday first. So I need to just empty this wash basket of all the clean washing, put it away into everyone's rooms and all the correct places, and then I can start a fresh wash for today. Now that's all put away, I can put together a fresh wash for today, starting with the wardrobe massacre. I need to take out all the whites, obviously, and put those in a separate basket for another day. Then I will get some washing from each of the boys' bedrooms until I have enough to fill a full washing machine. Into the utility room now, and I'm going to load up the washing machine with a lovely full wash. I have noticed a few stains along the way, so if I notice any on the boys' t-shirts, I'm just going to get my Vanish stain gel and work that into the stains before I put it into the machine. There you go, the sound of the washing machine is purring away, making me feel a little more productive. I need to just stop now and make the boys lunch, as it is midday and time for the boys to have their lunch. I'm going to make them each a little picnic lunch today, a big boy version and a toddler version. You'll see what I mean in just a minute. These star sandwich cutters are so cute. The boys get so excited to see their sandwiches in different shapes. I'm going to do this big star for my eldest, and then I have a little star sandwich cutter for my toddler as well. Then I'm just going to add some fruit and some crisps and some cheese onto the plates and give these to the boys to eat up for their lunch. While the boys are tucking into their Sunday lunch, I can start to clean up the mess that I've just made while making their lunch. I haven't cleaned in the kitchen yet anyway, so it's perfect timing. While I'm here, I may as well just give the kitchen a good wipe down. I'm going to start here on the chopping board, then I'm going to do all of the surfaces, and I'm going to load up the dishwasher as well. also just going to have a little tidy up in the toy area here while the boys are sat at the table. As I said, it is a Sunday at home. We have not been out today, which means a lot of mess gets made, which is absolutely fine. That means the boys are busy and having fun. But I'm just going to have a bit of a midday tidy up just to try and make it easier for myself at the end of the day. Another Sunday job here that I dread is the recycling, and oh my gosh, it's looking absolutely crazy this week. There is so much and it's all overflowing, so I need to sort all this out, make sure everything is in the right boxes, and then I need to take the recycling outside, pop it in the proper recycling bins and put them out onto the road ready to be collected. As you can see, the rain is not letting up, so I'm getting absolutely soaked doing this. And on to the next Sunday chore, which a lot of you may recognise, which is ironing the school uniforms, hanging them up and getting them ready for a full week. I love to have 5 full sets of clean, washed and ironed uniforms hanging up in my kids' wardrobe every Sunday, ready for the week ahead. It means I don't have to think about washing or ironing or getting any uniform ready at all in the week, because I know that there is a full week's worth in there waiting for me. So I'm just going to make sure everything is ironed and I will hang it all up ready to go. The next thing I want to do on this Sunday is hoover the carpets upstairs. The whole house feels so much cleaner and fresher and reset, I find, if I vacuum the carpets upstairs. I love to give it a proper deep hoover where I can see the lines and it makes it all feel very clean and tidy. So I'm just going to go through every bedroom, giving it a proper once over like this so that the carpets look super clean and neat. And now that that is done and my toddler is down for his nap, I'm going to have a special little afternoon with my eldest. I'm going to make the living room all nice and cozy. I'm going to put on the best thing that you can watch in weather like this, and we're going to sit down together, have a cuddle and have a bit of a movie afternoon. But guys, thank you so much for watching my latest video. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I will see you in my next one.